In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to set up the Bush Sound Bar. Firstly, remove the rear of the remote control and fit two AAA batteries. You can now reattach the cover. Next, place the sound bar on a flat and stable surface. Included with the soundbar is a line-in cable. If you would like to use this cable, connect the red and white cables to the soundbar. Then, connect the other end into the headphone jack on the television. For best results, we recommend using an HDMI cable and connecting it to the HDMI ARC port on the soundbar. Ensure that you connect the other end into the HDMI port that is labelled ARC on your television. You can now plug the power cable into the soundbar. Then, plug the other end into the main socket. To begin using the soundbar, press the power button on the side of the soundbar. Alternatively, you can press the power button on the remote. Next, use the mode button on the remote to change to your desired mode. For example, if you are using line-in, press the mode button until line-in shows on the display. You can also use the source button on the side of the soundbar to change to your desired mode. If you would like to connect a mobile device, we recommend using the Bluetooth mode. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device and search for the soundbar on your list of devices. Please note, the soundbar will only show when Bluetooth mode is selected on the soundbar. You can unpair from the soundbar by pressing and holding the Bluetooth button on the soundbar. The volume controls can be found on the remote and on the side of the soundbar. Your Bush soundbar is now ready to use.